Hey guys, I'm Jen.
And I'm Chris, and we're with
Monsters
Monsters and More. So today we're going to do a little tutorial on how to make a ice rink, and we've got some penguins to go on it. We've got the
we got the lights.
I guess the was it the little penguin from the Dollar Tree?
So these are the lights. I know it's going to be backwards in the video, but we just picked these up from Walmart. It's 18-foot, cool white, super bright rope lights.
And we're using 2 of them.
Yeah, we had to do 2. He had the old slide, so our slide's a little bit longer, so that's why we had to do two lights. So I guess just depending on how long or how round or how much
how big
water
you want it. Yeah. And then we're going to turn around and put our little Home Depot, right? Wasn't it? Was that Home Depot or Lowe's? Or Walmart. That one was from Walmart. And then we got the other one from Lowe's, wasn't it? Was it Lowe's? The other little...
I don't remember.
So, but we'll show y'all as soon as we get them out.
Big Lots.
Big Lots. That's where it was at.
Lots.
We picked it up from Big Lots.
Yeah.
Both of them are on like little skis, like their skin. So one of them will attach to the slide, and then the other one will probably set out here. And then we got a few penguins and the blow up stuff we're going to put on it.
These guys... I'm going to try these out today. I've been seeing a lot of people using these. These are 4-foot inflatables. We picked them up from
the Dollar Tree.
The Dollar Tree, but it's one of the Dollar Trees that have like the $5 in it too.
Yeah, it's not just a regular one.
In our area, we don't have a lot around here like that. So while we were out of town yesterday, we picked these up. I wanted 2 or 3 penguins, but they only had 1 left, so I got that and a snowman. So we'll check these out and see what we think about these once we get these put up.
Okay. So we're just going to show you. She can take a video and let you kind of see. But pretty much what we done is you ordered. Where'd you get the plastic from? Was that from?
That was Walmart. This is just the painter's plastic.
Yeah, we got 2 little thin things of plastic because at nighttime with the lights on it, we took the rope light, we put it down, and what we done was we rode the edges and then we put stakes around it. And of course, you have to undo the plug-in on one, and then you hook it together. And it's a rope light, and you connect them together, and it'll make one big thing. So we're just kind of doing. We didn't really do quite a circle. It's kind of more of like a square with a rounded front on it. So that's what we're working on, and we'll let y'all see what it looks like when we get done with it.
As y'all can tell, it's almost like crazy weather out here.
Yeah,
the wind is blowing. This is like the worst day to have done this.
We're trying to use these as what stakes we got left because we done used most of them up. So these are just cheap stakes. You can use any or pick some up at Walmart, those tent stakes, and use them if you want it to.
You can find the U-shaped stakes. We looked everywhere yesterday. Lowe's, we couldn't find any, so we just said forget it. We're just going to go ahead and use the stakes that we have. So I'm going to kind of go in and let you see what Chris is doing.
Okay, so what we're doing, I just took the plastic and rolled it up like 5 or 6 times up underneath of it, best you can get it. And then on the inside, put the little stake on it.
And those are 4-foot.
Yeah. They 4 foot or 3?
4. They are 4 foot. The little reindeer, the one that came from Walmart, and the snowman that come from Big Lots.
Yeah.
Both of them do plug in.
Yeah, so we'll have to run little cords to them too.
Yes. And then here's our little $5 snowman. Like I said, he's not much, but he's cute, and he has, cute for the little scene we've got going on. So I'll back up a little bit further and show you guys what it actually looks like, because now you can see it up close. We'll look at it, see how everybody else sees it.
Ta-da! See, looking at it from the road down there, and I don't know if this mic's working with your phone down there, but so from the road it looks really good. And at nighttime with the lights, we got that ring rope light around it, it should look good. All right, guys, we got it done. And I mean, Jen is in love with it. She
I
would
love
jump in there and
it.
go ice skating if she
I
could.
would. It's so nice. I love it.
Yeah, it turned out great. And like I said, she's going to put, we got some of the stuff at different places, but she'll wind up putting links on it off her Amazon account if you don't want to have to go digging at Walmart and everywhere else to get it. But it turned out great. And we appreciate y'all watching to the very end for the ones that have watched to the end.
Yes,
and
thank
if
you all.
have any comments or any questions, please leave them below. And we'll get back with you as quick as possible. But
Yes, guys.
with that being said, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll keep bringing you great content. And we appreciate y'all. Y'all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yes, Merry Christmas.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks.